If your WordPress website is suddenly redirecting visitors to suspicious or unwanted pages, you're likely dealing with a malware infection. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through a proven process to stop those redirects, thoroughly clean your site, and lock it down for the future. By the end, you'll know exactly what it takes to confidently restore your site's safety and reputation. Alright, let's jump straight into it. The very first thing you need to do is isolate your site from the public. Imagine your site is a house where someone's left the front door open in the rain. You want to close that door before any more damage happens. To do this, put your website in maintenance mode. You can use a plugin like WP Maintenance Mode for a fast setup, or if you're a little more comfortable with your hosting dashboard or cPanel, temporarily restrict access there. Even adding a quick rule to your htaccess file can block outside traffic. What you're doing here is protecting your users from those malicious redirects and slowing down the spread of the infection. Don't worry if your site looks inaccessible for now. This downtime is actually a sign you're fixing things the right way. Next, before you begin any scanning or cleaning, make sure to back up your entire website, files, and database just as it is now. It might sound odd to save an infected site, but think of this as an insurance policy. If something breaks during the cleanup, you won't lose crucial data. Most hosting providers offer quick backup tools, or you can use plugins like Updraft Plus or all-in-one WP Migration. Save this backup away from your web server if possible, somewhere safe like your personal computer or cloud storage. Even when things feel urgent, don't skip this step. You'll thank yourself if you need to restore later. Now let's get to the heart of the issue, finding the malware. Install a trusted security plugin like WordFence, Malware, or Sucuri Security on your site. Each of these is designed to scan deeply into your WordPress file system, your active and inactive themes, plugins, and even into the database tables where hackers sometimes hide their scripts. When you run a full scan, watch for any warnings about suspicious code. It might flag files you've never heard of or show alterations in expected places like your theme's header or footer files. Think of this process as having a team of sniffer dogs going through every room in your house. If something's out of place, the plugin will bark. Once you've identified infected files, it's time to clean the malware. If you're using a premium version of these security plugins, many offer one-click automated malware removal. This is a huge time saver and can get rid of most malicious scripts instantly, but we're not quite done yet. Hackers often hide small, sneaky backdoors, tiny files or bits of code in areas like your WP content/uploads folder or other less obvious directories. Even if your security scan is finished, take a careful look through your file manager for unfamiliar files with odd names or recent timestamps that don't match legitimate updates. Erase anything that looks out of place, but be careful not to delete trusted core files or images. With the threats removed, don't forget about credentials. This is absolutely essential. Change every password tied to your website. Not just your WordPress admin users, but also your FTP or SFTP logins, any database user credentials, and your hosting control panel password. Think of it as changing the locks after someone picked them. While you're at it, regenerate your WordPress security keys and salts. These are found in your WP config PHP file and can be refreshed using the official WordPress key generator. This step ensures that even if someone had access before, their logins will no longer work. There you go, you've now closed the doors, cleaned up the mess, and locked things down tight. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more WordPress tips. And if you have any questions or get stuck on any step, just drop them in the comments. I love helping out. Stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.